Hey you all, this here video I have a couple of things planned. Number one, I have a laser project that is uh, kind of near and dear to me. It's a pet memorial for someone who lost their uh, longtime pet for about 11 years. So I'm going to do this pet memorial. It's a little project I designed. I think it has the best of the things I like about a lot of the pet memorials that I've seen on Etsy and other places. And, we purchased something like this when our dog passed away, so I hope it's a nice gift. So I'm going to go ahead and set up the camera, set up the saw, and we'll get to it. So first of all, I need to cut a piece of this pine from about 7.5 by 12. Let me grab my cord. It's somewhere in the neighborhood of 8, 9. See, I think I got it 2015 or 2016, so we might as well just call it 10 years. I'm not quite sure, but I know it was, we were living across town before we moved to Wisconsin. So, quite a while. World's oldest power strip. Here. You know you're all jealous of my wood grain trim. Helps if you grab the right cord. Go. The laser adapter actually will not plug into that power strip because of the way it's shaped. So I use regular grounded extension cord. And so, because this thing takes so long to boot up, I will get it going. There she goes. And so, have a seat here until it does its thing. Sometimes that's a slow process, sometimes it is not a slow process. But considering this, this particular brand of laptop seem to have a timed battery, and they expire after exactly 2 years. Well, I put a new one on it, and then I bought a new laptop, and this was my, junk, throw it in the truck, take it around and, play a game or whatever while I was waiting, or if I needed to do billing or spreadsheets or whatever. It was the laptop that, you didn't really care about because you had the newer one, and this was just kind of a helpmeet around. But then I started doing the laser and the CNC, and it became necessary to have a kind of a fixed computer. And then this battery went dead also. So I've ordered 2 laptops. I'm waiting on them to ship, but I have bigger priorities at the moment while I'm waiting. And they are on order, but I can't not do anything until it's they arrive. So work has to continue. All right, so here we go. Sorry, not that I don't trust you, YouTube, but I don't trust you, YouTube. And like this stage, after you put the pin number in, it seems like it's taking it longer and longer and longer to load the desktop. So we'll just give it a wait and go from there. All right, so here we are. We're waiting. And so while we're waiting, all right, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and open up this file. For whatever reason, with this old laptop, the laser is kind of finicky about the order of things. Having the project file open and then connecting the laser is a no-go on this machine. My other laptop, it doesn't seem to mind. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to maximize this window first, and then I am going to go ahead and first of all, let's home the machine. Alright, so let's now move down here to the left corner. And let's turn on the laser for focusing. And let's frame. I don't know. There are an awful lot of videos that show how this operation is actually done. But as you can see, the laser is... Let me swap the camera. Alright, so you see the laser is there and it's ready. Let's see. Are we ready to frame? And what we're looking for is to make sure that the laser is not traveling at odd angles to the material. You want everything as square as possible, obviously. And so I think we're looking good. Well framed. And I always try to leave enough material that if I need to square it up, either at the miter saw or the table saw, I can do so without uncomfortable limits. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera, get the project started. And how we do that here is just go up to the little play button, and there we Alright, and this is where I put you down, and I go close up the laser. Alright, you all, the laser just got finished, so let's go over and see what we got. Go ahead and turn off the laser, turn off my fan, and so what we got here Alright, so we have Daisy Mae, a good girl always, her dates, and a little anecdote about one of her cute behaviors, and the fact that she was a very sweet girl. Alright, so I'm gonna set this aside and then we'll get back to our project.